Do you feel strongly about...
Chris, what he just did right now.
Oh, he put it all together.
All
And
together.
we're going to heat it up.
He didn't.
You think you should do the garlic in the oil first?
And then you add the tomatoes, then you let it cook a little bit. You don't
But I
just
thought
add it all
what we were
together.
trying to do was everything's together and you were just going to do a light simmer.
On Mars, like...
I need some more chilies, but I don't want to go open it in the bag. I don't want any... Yeah, Andy, help us out, bud. Well, you don't have to take your shirt off. I just need a couple chilies, Andy. Well, you got to sauce it first, remember?
Nope. Nope. You don't.
I don't know.
You're not always right.
I like that. I do.
Can't believe you.
Just try it.
Yeah, it's nice.
Sorry, I'm a little sleepy. We keep calling it the pith. I don't
It's
know.
kind of, because
I
it
don't
is
know,
kind of
that's not
pithy.
the-
I don't think it's
Yeah,
the technical
yeah.
term.
And it just makes it for a more fibrous yuzu kosher, which you don't want.
I said 200 grams, but we're going to do 160 grams and then 40 grams of the yuzu. Oh, no. 140 of the pepper, 60 grams of the yuzu zest. That's what it is. All right, see you, Andy. What are you eating?
One of those.
Don't worry about your soup sandwich, all right?
I think mine looks really amazing. Yours is looking more like American and mine's more European.
A little piece?
Yeah, my tooth. It's too crunchy. I'm sorry. Did you know that?
Yeah, I've heard it all now.
Molly, just quickly, which pizza would you rather have?
Oh, my God.
I'm just kidding. Look, I
You know
didn't.
how badly I want to say this one because I know that he made that.
Well, yeah.
Why? Why wouldn't you just
Down
give me
with
credit?
This pizza.
Yeah, but
on principle.
I had an oven malfunction. My oven turned
No,
off.
your pizza's great.
Thank
Don't
you.
let him get in your head.
Don't you live on the other side?
Well, don't touch.
Where's the other batch?
Hold your horses, cowboy. Ho!
Yeah. Yeah.
Ho! All right, quit fooling around.
Andy.
Woo! I guess we have our two winners. Never sleep on the ugly duckling. Let's say we break out some doughs and make a little pizza.
That's it. I'm ready for it.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
What? They're good?
Sleep on an ugly duck.
All right, fine. That's a good excuse. Good enough, Andy. Good enough. You sure you want in on Brad's World? I do. All right, good. Look, hold this.
I don't want to do
Oh, there's no free rides, no free lunch in Brad's World. You see that little hole there? Try to sneak that down there. Oh, wait, I lied to you. Don't do that yet.
Oh my god.
Boom, right there.
I thought I was gonna do that.
We don't need you anymore, Andy.
I'm out.
I want to be on Brad's team, but I'm on Andy's team.
Yes!
Simmer the
Why do you want to be on
garlic
Brad's? No, it's so not right. Two. Okay, great.
Well, it's not
I
that,
think
but,
I
like,
should slice the garlic. Just because.
We're fighting like a married couple. He set the mandolin, I sliced it. And it's my fault.
Wait, what did you just do?
Oil. We're gonna heat it up.
No. You screwed up.
What's the problem?
Help me in the walk-in to find that ricotta salata that I ordered last week.
Guys, that was mine.
You did that. You did that. You did that.
Put a little bit of flour in front. Joe, you got it. Calzone?
It's tasty.
Now
For
look
sure.
at this. This is like, oh, did you make garlic stew? Oh, well, no, go to the nurse's office.
I need mustard to
You need, oh, here.
down.
You want to try?
Yeah, it tastes good. That's why.
All right, now scram. All right, here we go. Okay.
Okay, okay, we're different, and that's okay. But just give me the tape. Just give me the tape. Just where's the whole tape?
I didn't bring the whole thing.
Okay, just hold on, hold on.
Andy.
No, hold on.
Oh my god, there's hair, for God's sake.
It came on the spoon.
Come on.
Get out of here. Mustard's antibacterial.
Just like let me be. You do you. Let me do the stuff. This is like.
Oh, you can be the tape guy, Andy. No, you didn't order it. I don't think you ordered it. Please get this. Vinny's my witness. Cameraman doesn't miss anything. Classic, I ordered it, where is it? But he never ordered it. Today's crazy.
I don't know.
I'm going in.
Wait.
Oh, what happened?
Just raiding Andy's station.
Well, yeah, he's got, it's This stuff looks a lot closer than the spice cabinet. He's got a little. Did he use this already?
He hasn't gone yet.
Oh no.
So it's like this, and then you just get all the seeds out.
Yeah, I know.
Well, let's see. Let's see the difference. And then you have all these seeds over here. It's
Well, you
like-
got a big mess in the sink, Cheech.
The sink is where the garbage goes.
Oh, you're one of those. The dough can sense fear, Andy. Just saying. It's what Claire taught me, and it really stuck with me, and it makes a lot of sense. It's technique, not muscle, okay, gym rat?